Hello, and today we're going to be talking about a second grade PBL. Now, when we're thinking about PBLs, what we do is we realize that there's a problem in our community. When we realize this problem, then we start brainstorming ways on how we can find a solution. In this scenario, the problem is that our ground is not well kept outside where our playground is. Now, when the kids are going outside, they're noticing the grass is overgrown, the things are not being maintained, it is not an inviting community where others want to come and enjoy some of our resources. This results into students acting out in class and becoming bored. Now with this problem, the kids collaborated and they created a solution. When they created the solution, they created a plan. And with this plan, they worked together to meet with their administrators and their principals to share their ideas on how they can fix this. The solution for their problem was they decided they wanted to build a garden. They said that by building this garden, they would be able to work together as a team, and they would also learn about the life cycle of plants and how things grow. The benefit of creating this garden is that they would be able to grow their own food. Students also said that by growing their own food, they would be able to donate to those in need. Now, when they were thinking of this, they realized the materials needed are going to be dirt so they can grow. They are also going to need wood so that they may build their garden. They're also going to need some gardening tools such as gloves and shovels. And with that, they're going to need building tools such as hammers, nails, and saws. So what they did is that they were going to write letters so that they may get these materials. They're hoping by receiving donations or potentially working together to make a fundraiser, they can get this started. So what they started is that they made their garden plan by hand on paper first. After they created their plan, they moved it to a digital website. One that they used for this scenario was Canva. Now with Canva, they were able to create their things. Then they took a vote on which was the best. Next was the measuring portion of this. They went outside to find accurate measurements to begin building their gardens. They used appropriate measuring tools. They took their measurements and used their area and perimeter skills to build their garden beds. Students worked together to plant the seeds of various plants. The garden grew beautifully, and student engagement, as well as attendance and campus enrollment grew as well. This PBL showed students how their hard work can have a positive effect on their school and as well as their community.